It's straight up growing. It's growing like a broke penis. Did you push it back in?
Is it gonna come back out?
Yeah. Like the dog penis.
Oh, avert your eyes, kitty. Oh, I see it growing now.
When it finally decides to let loose, it's going to shoot out a giant tube of ice.
Really?
Yeah, the length of the hose.
I've never seen this happen before.
I'm trying to pull some of it out, but it's like suction cupped in there.
Oh, it's disgusting.
See, it's hanging up on the metal thing because this part's larger than this part.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of got to melt a little. Look at, there's water shooting out of the inside of the ice. Oh. There were straight streaks of water coming out of the ice. That was interesting.
It's really cool.
Oh,
oh, that was cool.
Look, now, see a lot of ice thawed down. Look, there's another cube right there. There's more. It's still got ice backed up. But it'll start flowing out like it did a second ago where it shoots a bunch out at once. Can't push that one backwards.
Oh, I see it.
It's going to be really melted on each side, but not the top of the bottom.
Oh!
There it goes, and I'll go turn the water off. What's that? You're about to